Hello my people. What's up? How are you doing right now? How are you doing? I hope you are so fine. As you see, this is the Burundian explorer. This is the Burundian explorer, the one who explores the world and show it at the same time what is going on. Yeah. Today this video is going to be so special. It's so crazy because I'm going to show you the way we harvest rice. I'm gonna show you the way you harvest rice. Yeah, some techniques that are used, some tools in order to get rice grains. Yes, that is today's main point. Yeah, here on my way, in my left hand, I have a can of water. This is a can of water, and a pruning knife. As you see, this one, which is similar to a snake. It has a snake form, but it is not a snake. It is a pruning knife. This is the one I'm going to use to harvest rice. This is a pruning knife. As you see, this one. But some people prefer to use knives. But today, I prefer to go with a pruning knife because it's so special in the activity of harvesting rice. Yeah. And I'm going to find others over there. Yeah, we're going to work together with them in harvesting rice plantation. Yeah. We're going to see the way we manage to do it. Yeah. My people, I have already got to the rice plantation. As you see, this is the rice plantation, the one we are going to harvest today. And I'm going to show you different steps that we pass, that we do in order to get this rice grain. Yes, this one. Rice grain. I'm going to show you which strategies we have to use to harvest it. Yes, I'm still on my way up to catch up my activity mate, my workmate, the one we are going to do the same work together. Yeah, I'm about to get where they are. Yes, you see. I am going to reach them. You're gonna see the way they cut rice trees. Yeah, using pruning knives. Yeah. Yeah, check the way they cut. Check. It seems as if they are cutting with grace. Yeah, that is the real way they used to cut rice trees. This is the first activity. Yeah, first the cut off rice plantation. Yeah. That is the way they cut off rice plantation. As you see here, on the field, these are groupings of rice that I will cut. These ones, as you see over there, these are groupings of rice that we will cut. Yeah, we are trying. shittings. Yeah, I'm going to make groupings on shittings. Yeah, this is another procedure of the process of harvesting rice. The second part, the second activity of gathering the cut place of rice on this sheeting. This is the second activity. Yeah, this is what we are dealing with right now. We are gathering rice on sheeting. One fold the rice in another one heat. Yeah. After heating the rice, this is the result. The rice grain. You can see here. That is it. This is the hardest activity, the hardest step of harvesting rice, the one of eating. As you see, we are about to finalize the activity of today. As you see, one hits, another one tries to take out the seed so that no rice will remain inside. And after, it is the time to take the waste. We continue until we finalize the activity. And this one also is over. Yeah, and also to make the waste. As you see, here is a mass of crops. This is the rice. This is the final result. The total harvest that we got from this rice plantation. This one. Yes. That we heat the seeds of rice just to remove this grain of rice, and then after we throw away the remaining grey seeds, which are this one, as you see here, this one, and the rest. They are no longer useful. Simply they can use as manure once they get decomposed. But right now, we no longer need them. We must put them out, as you see here. And only remain with the rice, as you see here. Yes. This is the way people harvest rice. Yeah, that rice plantation, as you see. That is it. This was a Burundian explorer, the one who explores the world and show you at the same time what is going on. And today's main point was to show you the way people harvest rice plantation. That is what we have seen together. So if it is the first time you come across with my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave a comment and share. I love you so much.